So, my dear friends, today it is Saturday and you have speaking day. So, मेरे ख्याल से कहीं उन्होंने नाम नहीं लिखा होगा अपना.
लिख दिया सर।
नाम तो बेटा लिखना पड़ेगा उसको तो बच ही नहीं सकता कोई. So, today you have to speak upon youth. Today in this session there would be different topics or repeat नहीं होगा. No topic would be repeated.
जी सर।
Once one of you will tell the name of the topic, then that topic can't be repeated. Okay. So, first of all, there is the name of Harsh, and I will give a topic to Harsh, and then Harsh will give the topic to Rohit, and then Rohit will Harshit, and then Harshit will Rakshit, and then Rakshit will Komal. और छोटे बच्चों का ध्यान रखें थोड़ा सा, ठीक है? तो उसी हिसाब से आप टॉपिक दें, बहुत ज्यादा हाई फाई मत दे देना कहीं आप, नॉर्मल से
सर
टॉपिक
हमारा भी ध्यान रखे।
सभी ध्यान रखेंगे, सबके लिए कह रहा हूँ मैं, और मैं भी नॉर्मल से टॉपिक दूंगा मैं.
सर मेरा भी ध्यान रखना जरा सा।
रख रहा हूँ मैं तेरा, सबसे ज्यादा ध्यान तो मेरे को तेरा ही है बेटा.
तेरे भाई को गए हर्ष को।
हाँ, ठीक है. चलिए, मर्जी तुम्हारी चलेगी, हमारी नहीं चलेगी. ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फर्स्ट स्पीकर नेम दैट आई हैव गॉट इज हर्ष, then Rohit, then Harshit, then Rakshit, then Komal. Okay. So first of all, I am giving a topic to Harsh. Harsh, compare online to offline classes.
Okay, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsh Yadav, and today my topic is comparison between online and offline classes. As we know that there are two types of classes that we attend daily. First are online and the second are offline. In online classes, we use many types of apps by which we can interact to each other. But there is a very big सर एक वो क्या होता है बहुत बड़ी वो
क्या है बहुत बड़ी
दिक्कत
प्रॉब्लम?
हाँ but there is a very big problem in online classes that there is network issue, but in online classes in offline this do not happen.
Does not happen. Okay.
it this does not happen, and we can talk to each other physically and also mentally by offline classes, but in online we can not share our thoughts properly as the as sometimes network comes between our communication. But in offline, a teacher can punish anyone. A teacher can explain anyone by showing his or her book to them. But if we want to show, if a teacher wants to show his or her PDF website or a book to the student whom he is teaching, he have to learn how to use computer, because without it he or she cannot present his or her website on the screen. So in many ways we can say that offline classes are better than online, as we can interact to each other physically. We a teacher can teach better, and students can ask freely without any loss of network or anything. And in online classes we have to spend our money in net. If network is not there, then we have to make our phone recharged. But in offline classes we can go to anywhere. But there is a benefit of online class, that we can take online class by sitting at a place. We don't have to go anywhere. But in offline classes we have to move physically. Like if we are living in one society and our teacher is in another society, then we have to go there. Without going there we cannot we are not able to So class we are not able to take class or attend class. So in many ways, the both classes are mutually benefited. But I we should prefer offline class, as in offline class our money also saves, but our time is wasted in going to one place or another. But we can interact to each other freely. We can ask anything physically or by showing our expressions. So I prefer offline class. That's it.
So yes. So now Harsh, speak in this way. Tell the topic to another speaker, another next speaker.
Yes, sir. So the next speaker is my brother Rohit, and I give topic to him, plants.
Plants means trees.
Yeah, no sir, plants and trees both uses and benefit and disadvantages and all the things of that.
Okay, plants and trees. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Hadar, and today I'm going to tell you about plants and trees. As you all know that in all over the world, if you go to a high height, or we can say a high altitude, then you will see plants and trees all around you in in the rainy season. And this season is of monsoon. And trees and plants are very useful, and we can say the blessings for us from God. And as we know, by plants and trees there are a lot of things. We get a lot of things, like from trees we get wood, which is useful for us, and we use woods or trees in making furniture, like the people or the students who used to study for a long time, use the tables which are made up of and we get wood from the trees. And as you know that there are a lot of trees, or there are a lot of species of plants in the world. And in Amazon forest or rainforest, there are the highly species of plants and animals. And as you know that many medicines, most of the medicines in the world are made from the plants. And by the plants only we can live. We are living on the earth. Living on the earth, plants gives there a lot of contribution in the oxygen making, and decreasing the level of carbon dioxide and global warming in the environment. As you all know, global warming causes a lot of heat, and and global warming is caused by the carbon dioxide, and trees decreases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere or in the environment. And trees gives us a lot, like the person who's traveling from one place to another. If there is a lot of if there is a sunny day, if there is the day in the day when the traveler is traveling, if the day is shiny, or we can say a lot of sunlight is there, then a tree can help the traveler a lot, because the temperature in the shadow of the tree is less than that of outside. And trees teaches us a lot of things, like it we are the persons who can move from one place to another, and trees can't move. They feel the pressure and the causes of the nature, like lightning, thunder, rain, wind, etc. And these causes are felt by trees. And they after feeling these types of causes of nature, they stand at a one place. That tells us that how trees are confident, or we can say that trees the difficulties, how much difficulties came to trees life. The tree observe them and become strong. and become strong. And पागल हो गई and become strong. And as we know in our daily life, there is a lot of smoke that is produced by the automobiles, and the trees reduce the smoke in our environment. That, so in my view, I think that trees and plants are useful for our environment. That's it.
यस कम ऑन, अब टॉपिक बोलते चले जाओ, मेरे को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़े.
सर टॉपिक अब हर्षित भैया के लिए है
इंग्लिश
importance
में
of.
स्पीकिंग टू इंग्लिश.
Yes, sir. The topic for Harshit Bhaiya is importance of mountains.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Mora. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is the importance of mountains. Mountains are also very important in our livelihood. As everything in our nature is very useful for us. In this way, mountains are also very useful for us. Yes, mountains are used in many ways. Like at mountains, there are many ropes that are used in some projects, and many temples. Many temples are also built at the top of a mountain. And mountain is a place where there are many trees you can see at the time of rainy season, from where we may get natural surroundings all around us, and the pollution may be reduced also. And on mount on mountains there are many animals, and mountains are also the house of many animals, as there are many animals that live and there, and which are very important for our surroundings. And if you go if you want to go to any mountain, you may use the mountains rocks also. And on at the top of mountains, as there is a there may be stored a lot of water. If there is too much rain, then the water may come in the cities, villages, etc. This may be the disadvantages, but to the water may be used also. And mountains are very important for animals uh, who are living there, because trees are the trees are the food of some animals, and those some animals are the food of some animals. Like this, the cycle goes on, and there many things can be dissolved that are produced by the animals and humans. And nowadays, as our most of the as nowadays we may see much garbage all around us, but at the top of a mountain we can't see a single piece of any garbage. We may go there for our better health and to improve ourselves. If we are in burden, tension, and we can't, if we don't want to go anywhere. And mountains are also useful for the athletes, because some mountains uh, have less animals which are not harmful for humans. Then some athletes may use it to run at upside of it, by which he may increase his speed to run at a platform. And from mountains we get many things like the first thing is wood, and the stone, and water is also can be also obtained by the mountains. And as everything is important for our nature, in this way mountains are very important for our livelihood and betterment of our life. That's it, sir.
Very good. Yes.
Sir, transportation. My
Transportation
topic.
for Akshit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Dakshit More, and as we know that Harshita has given me a topic that is transportation, so I am speaking on it. And so, as we all know that in today's world,
artificiality and technology is increasing day by day, and by this the field of transportation is also developing. And in earlier times, there were no vehicles, and we should have much time to go from one place to another, and it was very time taken process, and sometimes we got late in going from one place to another. But now, by the help of vehicles, we can save our time to go at a to for going at a place, and we can go from one place to another in a short time by using vehicles. And we and without and we all and our और सर हम कम थकते हैं सर इसको we get less tired
very good,
by
very good.
vehicles, and in this way, and so and techno and this way transport and today transportation is increasing very fastly, and many new vehicles are made, and before cycles and bullock carts, horse rides were done to go from one place to another. But after some time, many bikes and cars came, and now many car now there are many cars which are made that runs very fast, and now to decrease and now there are many electric vehicles are also made to decrease the pollution in the nature, and and so and this way. And but to use vehicles, we should have some precautions. We should keep some precautions while running a vehicle, we should run vehicle at a limited speed which is given by the government, and also give indicators at which side we are going to, and we should and we should use vehicles only at the time we need it more, if we want to go at a short distance, so we should go on our foot, so that our physical health is also maintained by it, and the use of petrol and diesel is also reduced, and 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 so by the help of vehicles, we can say that it made our life very easy to it made our life very easy, sir. That's it.
Okay, very good.
Yes, sir. So sir, the topic for the next speaker is, sir, environment.
Environment, Sushil? नहीं, Komal?
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Parva and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11, and today my topic is environment. We all know that we are human beings, and we live in different types of environment, because in cities and village there are different types of environment, because in villages there are many types of trees and plants, so there are fresh environment. But in the cities there are less than villages plants. So in city areas there is a polluted environment, and we all know that fresh environment is very important for us. With the help of fresh environment, we can inhale fresh air. With the help of fresh air, our body become healthy, and but in the we are living in city areas, so that there are bad there are pollute air,
पॉल्यूटेड
because
एयर क्या कर रही है
there are polluted air, because most of the people throw garbage here and there, and in the environment there are different types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, etc. All pollutions, by the all pollutions, our environment becomes dirty, and there are by the pollution and garbage, mosquitoes are increases, and
इंक्रीज ही बोल दो खाली इंक्रीजेस आर इंक्रीजेस का क्या मतलब हुआ बोलो बोलो ध्यान से बोलो थोड़ा ध्यान रखो हाँ
and mm, so we should we should grow more and more plants, to to become to take fresh air, and we all know that in the morning our environment become very fresh, and in the morning we can take fresh air, and mm, in in the present time there are many types of vehicles, and vehicles throw dirty smoke, and with the help of the by the because of the dirty smoke our environment become dirty also, and in my views village areas are best for healthy life, because there are many types of plants and trees, and there are most of the fields area in the villages, so villager people are become healthy uh, and we should in the city areas we should grow more and more plants, and in the gardens and societies everywhere, and we should not cut trees for our benefit. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड
And my top and Sushil Bhaiya's topic is science.
यस सुशील
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from B16 and also from B18. And today my topic is science. As we know that we are living in age of science, and science has given us many things which are very useful and important for us. Science has given us many things like mobile vehicles, light, tube light, fan, AC, etc. And these things are very important for us. Mobile is one of them, and it is also important for our present time because without it we can't live, because we all are addicted to it. Mobile is important for us because with the help of mobile we can do many things like if we have mobile, so we can get solution of our doubts, and if we are businessmen, so we can get knowledge about business, and with the help of mobile we can communicate to each other, and all all people don't have mobile, so they use keypad phone, and keypad phone is also beneficial for us because it that doesn't release any type of radiation. Yeah, yes, sir, radiation. And vehicle is also one of them, and vehicles are also important for us because with the help of vehicles we can go anywhere in very short time. Suppose that one person is very serious and he need to operation. So with the help of vehicles we can reach on hospitals in very few time, and we can save a life. Science is beneficial for us, but science has also invented many weapons, bombs. These things are important for all country, but if it is in bad hands, so it is very harmful for us because we don't know that in which way does he use it. So at last, I want to say that science is very important for us, but it is also harmful for us. So that's it. And I am giving a topic to Yami Didi, that is the importance of books. So that's it.
Yes, very nice, Sushil. Come on, Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashasvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is the importance of books. As we all know that, we all are human beings and we all have to learn so many things. Books, books are very important in our life. It has an important place in our lives. By the using book, we can learn, understand, get knowledge, in the simple words we can say books are our best friends. The 24 the age of present age is also called the age of books because in these days all the people read books and they make their teachers. The books are our best friends. It is true because books has all type of information. It has good and bad informations also. We can know about the world, space, etc., etc. We can suppose sometimes we are so angry we and we have not anything to सर गुस्सा कम करने को क्या करेंगे
To lessen the anger.
To lessen the anger. In this case, we can read a good book. Because of reading a good book, we can less our anger. A good book can change our life. It is said by our elders. A book has the power of changing and destroy the whole world. In 10th class, we have a chapter also about it. A book that saved the earth. The books are the one of the most important thing for writers. We can express our thoughts. We can make so many things. Like if we like to write poems, we can make a poem book and publish it. It is also a good source of earning. So many big writers written. So many good writers was written. So many books.
वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो बोलो
So many good books. There are so many types of books like story books, motivational books, etc. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay, very good.
And the the topic for the Umesh Bhaiya is importance of pen.
Pen. Importance of
Pen.
pen. Okay.
Hello everyone, I am a student of Ramman Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today my topic is importance of pen. We all know there are many types of pen, just like tic-tac pen, etc. And there are many companies of pen are such as Butterflow, DOMS, etc. We write anything. We write anything. Write by pen.
बोलता रहे, घबरा मत तू, टेंशन ना ले, तू बोल जो जितना बोल सकता है, टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, हाँ बोल.
There are many expensive pens in world. The pen is very important to writers.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. ऐसे बोलता जा, जितना तेरे को मन में थॉट है बोलता जा, और क्या जितना पता होगा उतना ही तो बोलेगा, और क्या करेगा, कहीं से घर से थोड़ी लेके आएगा. बोल.
Yes, sir. We write a exam by pen.
We write the answers of our questions in examinations with pen.
Yes, sir. There are many types of colors pen are such as blue pen, red pen, green pen, etc. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. Chal, topic. Give your topic.
My topic is importance of water.
Importance of water, Ronak.
As we all know that water is very important for us. We can't live without water. Water is very useful for us because without water our body is not working. There are many सर बीमारियों को क्या बोलेंगे?
Diseases.
There are many diseases for water.
For water.
नहीं सर.
क्या है कुछ पता ही नहीं है. लिख के तो ले आता है इतना बड़ा.
यार सर
याद क्या होता है, याद करने की तो कोई बात भी नहीं है. सब लिख चुके हो तुम इन टॉपिक्स पे. फिर क्या है, कैसे लिखा था वो?
तक वाटर पे लिखा ही नहीं.
लिखा था ना वाटर, मेरे को याद है बेटा. तो वाटर के बारे में तू बता नहीं सकता 2-4-5 सेंटेंस?
There are many lakes in India, but Earth has many. There are many plants in India. There are many dams in India. But half water is very bad. That is not usable for us. And that's it, sir.
बस अब देख ले तू कहाँ है, खड़ा है.
Sir, water.
तो वैसे मिलेगा अगली बार को. एकदम से टॉपिक मिलेगा, आ जाओ और बोलो बेटा. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. रौनक टॉपिक दे कबीर के लिए.
I give education.
कबीर.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes from HB10. Today's my topic is education. As we know that education is very important for us because education gives us many things like degree, job, etc. We have education. We do anything.
If we have education.
If we have education, we do anything.
बोलता रहे.
And with education, we live. By education, we live a luxury life.
Hmm.
Uh, by we we should know education. We read books. Yes, sir. That's it.
कोई बात नहीं, लिखो अभी जम जम के जिस टॉपिक पे आज तुमको मिला है वो टॉपिक लिखना है सबको. यस, कम ऑन कबीर, टॉपिक दो प्रीति को.
Uh, I given to topic. I give topic to Preeti Didi. Government.
गवर्नमेंट, प्रीति.
Good evening, everyone. Today my topic is government. So every country has their law and order, and the government of that country take care of those laws, and they just apply those laws, and tell the people how they can follow these laws, and if they don't follow the laws, then the government punish them. So in India also we have a lots of law and orders which we have to follow, and government has decided a lots of laws for us. So government is also the important part of our life, just as we have lots of essential things in our life. So if there is no government, so there will be lots of chaos in our life. Anybody can tease to anyone, anybody can find to anyone, and government provides lots of facilities to the people. Government tell the people that you have to follow these rules, and they have decided some rules, as like the government has decided some traffic rules for the persons to follow them. If we don't follow those traffic rules, then the government made the challenge of different prices and different punish as like different punishments. Government government has decided lots of rules in has this these take the contract to the make the roads. This is also come in the area of the government. Government repair the roads if they are not proper. So people complain to the government, which are like which are the members of our wards. Firstly, we complain to them, then that follow to the authorities, higher authorities, and then they pass the rules. Government pass the that project, then the project come in the process, and government just work on that process. Government government has made lots of laws, like we have to that's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला, घबराओ मत, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. Just we
So
are
I am
just, we
going
are
to
just making practice, nothing else.
yes, sir.
हाँ, कोई बात.
It's an imagine मतलब imaginate action है, तो that's why lots of thoughts
Yes, yes, yes.
doesn't come in the
Yeah,
mind.
इसीलिए तो हमने टॉपिक रखा है आज. Suddenly अगर आपको कोई
That's
चीज,
it.
if you get suddenly any topic, then what will you do?
Yes,
Such
sir.
types of situations many times come in our
We
life.
have to face
Yes,
it.
we have to face.
Yes, sir.
No doubt. So just this is just game, nothing else. So just come on, Preeti, give your topic to Aditya.
Okay, Aditya, I'm going to give you a topic: an air conditioner.
Air conditioner.
Advantage and disadvantages. I hope you can do well in it.
Yes, sir.
Well, कोशिश
Hello
करो.
everyone. Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Dhanawat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is air conditioner.
air conditioner is very important for summer, but this time AC blast in the house,
Hmm.
and air conditioner is a very important, but these but but I don't but I don't like air conditioner.
Hmm.
Air conditioner is very important for summer, and then but today's time cannot people on AC.
बोलते जाओ, तुम घबराओ मत, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा आज, बस तुमको बोलना है बस। हाँ,
Yes, sir. Many disadvantages for AC. AC for well, there are many features, but AC don't take load, and AC blast in the house. Yes, that's it.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, कोशिश करते रहो। अब टॉपिक दे दो फटाफट से निशांत को।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I give to topic Nishant Bhaiya, importance of tablet.
टैबलेट, विच
Yes, sir.
टैबलेट,
Device
कौन
है
सा
ना,
वाला,
विच टैबलेट, दवाई
खाने
वाला
वाला
टैबलेट
या
या
फिर
वो?
चलाने वाला?
नहीं सर वो खाने वाला नहीं, वो दूसरा।
दूसरा वाला टैबलेट भैया, खाने की तो बात थोड़ी करेगा। टैबलेट, वो वाला टैबलेट, टैब बोल निशांत।
Tablets, generally tablet is a type of form of phones. Sir, एक minute. Hello everyone, my name is Nishant of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is importance of tablet. Tablets is a generally form of phones. Its screen is very big. It is modified term of phones on which we can play anything, on which we can play games, we can play YouTube, and Google is also works on it. It is very important for students who do online classes, because some students take online classes on tablets because it is very big, and tablet is also useful for teachers to explain their notes to students. Some tablets are generally expensive, like there are many companies by which tablets are made, such as Apple, Samsung, etc. These companies make tablet is very expensive. Some people can afford it and some can't. I don't like tablet because it is very big and it is not easy to take anywhere. So rather than tablet, mobile phone is more useful. So I suggest that if you buying tablet, you can also think about laptop, because the prices of these both these things is similar. So you have an option to buy laptop in this range. And tablets, the disadvantage of tablets is also that they take a more time to be charged. In laptops we can charge it and use for many times, but in tablets,
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो बोलो बोलो
it-
बोलो बोलो बोलो, तुम रुको मत,
in-
बोलो तुम रफ लो, बोलो।
in tablets can be heated more fastly rather than laptops. So I think tablets are not useful for us. That's it, sir.
Very good, very nice. So Nishant, now you have to give the topic to Tanish,
Yes, sir.
and
I want
थोड़ा
to give a
सिंपल सा,
topic
थोड़ा
to
सा सिंपल से टॉपिक्स देने हैं अब सब
is
लोगों को, है ना, ये बिल्कुल नए स्टूडेंट्स।
importance of food.
Importance of food. Okay, yes, come on Tanish.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today, my topic is importance of food. Food is very important for our life. We eat food every day.
हम्म,
Oh,
कहाँ से हमको फूड मिलता है, क्या जरूरी है हमारे लिए, बॉडी के लिए क्या जरूरी है, क्या हम रह सकते हैं इसके बिना, ऐसे सोचो थोड़ा सा।
in a special day, we are make special food
बोलते रहो, तुम घबराओ
like
मत। हाँ, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फूड बताओ आप तो। खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो
importance.
क्या, खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा?
मर जाएंगे।
तो बताओ, ये बोलो आप, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है? ये तो इम्पोर्टेंस है इसकी। क्या क्या खाना उसमें जरूरी है, क्या क्या चीजें उसमें चाहिए, अपने को पढ़ा होगा ना तुमने साइंस में। बताओ।
The importance of food is we don't eat food, so सर सर मरने को क्या बोलते हैं?
डाई बोलते हैं।
कैसे?
if we don't eat food, we may die, we will die.
Okay, sir.
हम्म,
We will die, and that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं है, इसी टॉपिक पे लिखना है आज तुम्हारे को, ठीक है? हाँ, घबराओ मत, कभी कभी होता है। यस तनिष, ऐसा करो, टॉपिक दो वैष्णवी को, सिंपल सा टॉपिक देना कोई। हाँ,
Sir, importance of teacher.
इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टीचर।
Yes, sir.
चल ले भाई, सबसे सिंपल टॉपिक मिला है, किस्मत की जोरदार है तू लड़की। चल आजा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from BAT, and today my topic is importance of teacher. As we know that we are student, so teacher teaches us many things like good manners, discipline, and many other things. And many other things. And my favorite teacher's name is Mr. Rajesh Gupta sir, and he teaches me English very well, and he motivates me daily, and no one no one likes he,
बोलते रहो
and
तुम आज अच्छे से, जो तुम्हें बोलना है, हम टोकेंगे नहीं तुम्हें आज। हाँ,
and and he he tells me that do practice and practice to make to make perfect person,
टू बिकम परफेक्ट पर्सन। हाँ बोलो, घबराओ मत, बोलो।
and teachers day comes on and teachers day comes on for 5 September, and on this day students students gift to teachers such as etc. And teachers teaches us right right way. Teachers teachers give us punishment because we
वैन, बिकॉज नहीं वैन। हाँ, बिकॉज भी चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
Yes, sir. Teachers give punishment because we do this because we are doing this wrong thing. Can correct our this thing.
घबराओ मत.
So teacher is very important in our life. So that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. टॉपिक दो रजनी को. बोलने की आफत तो पहले ही थी, ये टॉपिक देने की आफत और लग गई आज. चलो, दो टॉपिक दो रजनी को. रजनी मैडम,
Yes, sir.
टॉपिक दे भाई.
Importance of school.
है?
School. Importance of school.
कूल. कूल क्या होता है? स्कूल.
Yes, sir.
हाँ भाई, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्कूल. हाँ भाई, आज सही टॉपिक मिला है तेरे को, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ravi. Today's topic is importance of school. School is very important in our life because we teach everything in here. Most of life we most of life we बिताना क्या बोलते हैं? बिताना most of time we
spend.
Okay, sir. Most of time we spend there. We have 24 hours in one.
बोलो.
So sorry. In a school, a student spend in school 6 hours. That time is very important for a student because they teach behavior in here. Here they teach interact their classmates.
शाबाश, बोलते जाओ.
In a school, school is very important for every student because they teach many things of life. They get education there, and they learn to survive of life. They learn survive life. How to survive life. Okay, sir. School we meet many teachers, and we teach them many things. And students copy their teachers good things. School is home of Vidya process.
Education.
School is a home of education. Without education, we can't think survive. As a creator, A parents give birth only, but a teacher teaches survive life.
हम्म,
Uh, that's it, sir.
ओके ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करो, बस घबराओ मत। अब टॉपिक दो तुम लक्ष्मी को। लक्ष्मी ने नाम तो लिखा नहीं, पर बुलवाएंगे तो जरूर इससे अपन।
सर, लक्ष्मी का टॉपिक है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मदर
ले भाई,
इन आवर लाइफ।
मदर बता, अब इससे ज्यादा इजी क्या चाहिए तेरे को, बोल अब। बोल लक्ष्मी, लक्ष्मी। आई थिंक शी इज नॉट हियर। हाँ बोल, मदर पे बोल, मदर पे।
यस
तेरे
सर,
पास क्या टॉपिक मिला है देख तेरे को। हाँ
Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Mahavar. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's topic is mother. My mother's name is Mrs. Choti Devi Mahavar.
वैसे उन्होंने टॉपिक बोला है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मदर, तो जनरलाइज में आपको बोलना चाहिए भी मदर का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस होता है। फिर भी आप फ्री हो, जैसे मर्जी वैसे बोल दो।
Yes, sir. She is about 40 years old.
क्या हुआ?
Yes, sir. She is very important our life.
इन आवर लाइफ।
She is loves us. She get up 5 a.m. She clean the house. She she prepared tea, breakfast, dinner, etc. She washes our clothes. She is punctual person. She is very hard working woman. She is a humble and kind person. She is my best mother. She helps everyone. She is a religion woman.
रिलीजियस।
Religious woman. She she goes to the temple daily. She sleeps 8-10 p.m. Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो बस। आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न, नाउ देयर इज नो वन। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।